Students, in this video, we will learn how to list the given set in the roster form to the set builder form. So here you will see all the questions are given to you. That question number 1, for example, this is a set A and some members of the set are being written here. So you have to write these set into set builder form. You know set builder form. As per the earlier video, we have discussed what is a set builder form and how we will convert the roster form or the description form to the set builder form. The other name of the set builder form is rule method. So let us introduce you one time more the definition of the set builder form. Here you will see set builder form or rule method. If S is a set and P is the property of each member of the set S, you have to see the each member and take a observation and have apply your mind to find the common rule that is following in all these member. It means what is their common property. Clear? So after that you will write the set in the set builder form. S is equal to X such that X possesses the property P, or you will use the vertical or you may use a semicolon. So applying this definition, we are going to convert these roster form of the set to the set builder form. Now, if we see all the members of the set A carefully, then we come to know that is 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 again, 11, 13, 17 and 19. All these are prime number. So one thing is clear that all the member of the set are prime number. Now, they starting from 2 and they are less than 20. Clear? So all the prime number from 2 to 19 are the member of this set. So this is a common property. So as per the rule, we will write the definition here. Now this is the given set A. Now as per the definition, I will take a variable X. So X is a variable. I will write the vertical or I may write column, and after that I again write the vertical. Now X such that X. Now what property it has, we have to write that. Now X such that X is a prime number less than 20. Okay, so this is the answer. So student, you will see, if you observe very carefully the each member of the sets and come to know what is their common property, then there is no problem in writing the set builder form. Now you will see the second question. There is a set B and the elements are given there. So I have written these elements for the rough work and I will observe their common property. Here 3, 5, 7, 9, all the numbers are there. Now these numbers are not starting from 2. You will see very carefully that there is no even number is there. No multiple of 2 is there. So what can I say? That these are all odd numbers. Yes. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. These are all odd numbers and these odd numbers are less than 27. So and also they are greater than 1. All odd numbers greater than 1 and less than 27. Or I can say that all the prime number less than, all the odd numbers less than 27, or the all odd number lying between 1 to 27. So it is depend upon you that how will you define that. So I am going to write the set builder form. here you will see I will write set B, and as per the definition I take a variable x such that x is an even or odd, is an odd number which lying between 1 and 27. One and 27. In this way we can write this in builder form. Now as we see the third question, that is a question C, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49 and 64. All these are the square of some numbers. 1 is a square of 1, 4 is a square of 2, 9 is a square of 3 and 16 is a square of 4, 25 is a square of 5, 36 is a square of 6, 49 is a square of 7 and 64 is a square of 8. Therefore, in rough I can write it here. This is 1 square, this is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square and 8 square. So I can write this set like this. So in order to write the set in builder form, the set C is x such that x is a square of natural numbers less than 9. Now x such that x is a square of natural numbers less than 9. Now our fourth question is the set D and some months name are being written here. How many months are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 months are written there. So I have to convert this expression or the roster form to the set builder form. So first of all I will have to find their common rule, that what is the common among all these months. For this I have bring this calendar and I will check what is the common rule applying in all the months. So January, if I come to January, then it has 31 days. After that March is also having 31 days, and May is also having 31 days, you see. And after that July, the month of July also having 31 days, and August has also 31 days. October is 31 days, and December is also having 31 days. So with this observation I have seen all months are having the same days, that is 31. So x such that x is a month of year having 31 days. We will solve the sixth question before fifth question, as the given numbers are 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 243 and 512. So I have to see their common property. So I write all the members here. Now 1, I leave the 1. After that 8, I take 8. If I divide 8, then I know it is divisible by 2. So 2 4s are 8, and again I will divide 2 by 2 4, that is 1. So 8 is a product of 2, 2, 2, 3 times. So I can write 8 is equal to 2 power 3 or 2 cube. Now 27 is divisible by 3 on 9's table, and 9 is divisible by 3 on 3's table, and 3 is divisible by 3, that is 1's table. So 27 is equal to 3, 3, 3. So it can be written as 3 cube. Here you will see the first number is 1. 1 can be written as 1 into 1 into 1, because you multiply 1 3 times, that is the answer is 1. So I can write this 1. So don't go to the expansion. I can write this 1 cube, I can write this 2 cube, and I will write this 3 cube. Again, if you see that 64, if you divide 64 is divided by 2, that is 32. Again, it is divisible by 2, that is 16, and it is divisible by 2, that is 8. Now 4, now 2, and again 1. Now here you will see 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and there are 64 can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, that is our 6 time. But as per the first 3 members, they are the product of only 3 same numbers. So if I write these like this, 2 2s are 4, and this is 4, this is 4. This can be written like this. So I can write it 4 cube. So if you see, the first number is 1 cube, then second is 2 cube, and third is 3 cube, and the fourth is 4 cube. Similarly, if you go on with the pattern with this type of practice, you will come to know that is 5 cube, this is 6 cube, and this is 7 cube, and this is 8 cube. So all these members are the cube of the natural number less than 9. So as per the rough work we have seen, we can write these number in this form. So I can write in the builder form, X is a journal member of that may represent any element of the member of the set, and X says that X is the cube of natural numbers less than what? Less than 9. So this is the required builder form of question number 6. Student, this is a question of different type among all these. So I am going to explain this, and you need a lot of practice of these type of questions so that you may observe and judge the type of the set that you are going to deal with. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. The highest number is 36 here, and you will see that 36, before 36 it's half. Clear? And now I will start from 1. If I take 1, the smallest number, and this is the greatest number, you will see 1 divides 36. Okay, 1 is the factor of every number, therefore 1 will divide 36 at the table of 36. So 1 divide 36, that is okay. Now 2 divides 36 or not? Yes, because 36 is ending with 6, therefore each number is divisible by 2. So I can say that 2 can divide 36. After that 3 can divide 36. Yes, because 36, the sum of the digit is 3, 6, 9. I will show you that if you divide 36 by 3, then 1 and 2, then it is divisible at 12. Okay, so 3 can also divide 36. After that 4. If you count the table of 4, then you will get 36 at 9's place. 4 9 the 36. So it is also divisible. On the table of 6, you will get 36 at the 6. 6 6 the 36. And 9 4 the 36. 12 3 the 36. 18 2 the 36. And 36 is itself divides 36. So these are all the factors of 36. So I will write x such that x is a factor of 36. Okay, beta. So in this video you have learned the proper way to write the given set to the set builder form. Thank you.